I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm going to try to talk fast because I want to open 3 dolls, but I want to show you a couple of things. Darren and I are a bit behind. We took a trip, and my table is like this, but I can't do it all in one video, so it's going to stretch out for a while. Look at these cute sleds I found for AG Dolls in an antique store. You know, my counter is mounded with orders and eBay and stuff. And on the way home from dropping off the rental car, we stopped in an antique mall. I think this is it that I got for dolls. I got that Thai heart monkey, these, and one other thing. What was it? Do you remember?
I have no idea.
I can't see. I'm so spoiled. Aren't these adorable? And this is actual, I want to say poplar. What would you say that is, Darren?
That seems more like a reed or something.
Reed. Anyway, $5 each. So I bought them both. Aren't they cute? There's a person that has an AG booth, well, 18-inch doll booth, and she makes clothes and shoes and all kinds of stuff, and I buy stuff there quite often. And I got this, not from the same booth, but a different booth. But it's an 18-inch doll knitted hat that I hope to learn to make. But I wanted it now because I met Let's Talk About It with Jamie. And you know, she always wears that hat. She's as cute as a doll, so Daisy wanted one. All right, let's open these real quick and see. See, I'm so spoiled. And here I am shopping in the antique mall. I need a pair of scissors. Yeah, I got my scissors. Oof. This is why I'm opening on camera. I'm in a dispute with, oh gosh, with a seller on AliExpress. I got one small package 2.5 weeks after ordering, and this seller is saying there's a Neo-size Blythe doll that was in the package. It was not there. I never get these that fast. You know what? When I ordered these, 11/11 when they had that sale. I got up at 2 o'clock in the morning because a couple of these I wanted really bad. You know what? I don't think that one is going to be in. These are so banged up. But I want to open on camera because I want to be able to, oh my God, these are so banged up. I can't even figure out where to cut. I don't want anybody saying, oh no, I didn't see you open it, so we don't know that you didn't bang it up. Why would I do that? People are always looking for an excuse not to step up. Ah, okay. These are so banged up. I really am having trouble opening them. 11/11. Today is January 25th. I am pre-recording. Oh my God, she's banged up. Okay, her head looks all right. This is one of the 2 dolls that I got up at 2 a.m. to make sure I got. And let me tell you, until I laid eyes on it right now, I wondered, was she coming? Oh God, she's so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm not going to take her, well, yeah, I am. Let's go ahead and make sure that her eyes change. Oh God, is she beautiful. This hair, I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Oh yeah, look at that. Whoa, these are really turning easily. I said that, and then I have a funny angle on it though. Oh God, that's so beautiful. This hair has a silvery purple. God, I just love it. Beautiful. Way more beautiful than it shows in the on the sales page. Okay, this is what I thought. Little bitty hands, little bitty dresses. Is that 1 or 2 little? Middie size. Oh God, they're so cute. Where's that one I ordered? Here she is. Is her face banged? This is the one I really, really wanted. The 2 dolls I got up at 2 o'clock for are this one and this one. I had seen them ahead of the sale. And you know what? There's only 2 sets of hands in here and 1 dress. So I did not get what I should have. Yep, that's all that's in there. But here again, now look. Yeah, look. Not there. I am glad they're starting to include face shields for the middies. Oh my God, look at that hair. Oh. Oh. Is her arm loose? No, she looks just fine. Oh, she's so cute, 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 cute. So I got these 3. Okay, pink hair, brown hair. Let's open this other bag. I'm gonna save I saved those. Boy, oh boy. These are so banged up. I'm just glad they're here. Today, honest to God, was the only day that, the only date it said that I could complain that I didn't get my dolls to AliExpress. Okay, this one is another one I really wanted. Let's get her open. She's kind of squished in here. Ooh, her legs are tucked up under. But here she is. Oh gosh, she's so pretty. She has like a coffee complexion. All right, let's check her eyes. This is one I have been waiting for. All right. Oh, that's so pretty. Those are probably the eyes I will use. Look at the thickness and niceness of that hair. Oh, I really like her. I thought it would be closer to gray, and I'm good with it. It's silvery. Please come back and watch the rest of the openings. I don't want to do it in one, have this great big long video. This one's long enough. Please forgive me and subscribe anyway. Leave a like and comment on my new dolls. And thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel.